logoiwek alak kokomiten en betutab raini kondo netai noton ko Rachel Ruto korkoret nebo Kodiaga nemiten komosta noton nebo Kisumu ne en ng'ololutik chebo kwondo netai ko kaimuch kokimit inendet akobo kanaptaet nebo tetutik chebo ripset noton nebo kergeindo nebo itondo en korik choton ko korkoroshek chebo emoni. Kosibge ak kwondo netai kamwa kole yatet nebo kot anan korkoret ne kiboisien en kebeberta noton nebo chepkamatinik en Kodiaga kowendi kotoreti mising noton en ityinet noton nebo ng'alek chetinyegei ak ripset nebo imandab kwonyik en korkoroshekab emoni.
But more importantly, it is a time to rededicate ourselves to the full freedom and participation of our mothers and sisters in building our nation. We all know the role our women play on a daily basis to develop our nation. Over the decades, we have made great strides. I therefore wish to thank Chandaria Foundation for this great initiative that not only complements our rehabilitation and reintegration programs at our correctional institutions, but also aims at empowering our women inmates to be productive members of the society once they leave our facilities and reintegrated and resettled in the community.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us carry forward the spirit of hope, belief, and empowerment that defines this day. Let us pledge to support and uplift women in our communities, workplaces, and homes, advocating for policies and actions that promote gender equity and ensure equal opportunities for all. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to making this International Women's Day celebration a success. With those few remarks, it's my singular honor to declare the construction of the Chandaria Kisumu Women Prison Workshop officially launched.
Noton ko kwondo netai kibagenge koboto PS nebo Correctional Services kiguren Salome Muhia Wairimu ne kaimuch kong'alal en kasarta noton ne kakimuch ketach kwondo netai nekamwa kole kokonyit inendet tokset ne kokimuch kikochi koititam korkoronoton. Kiweksei akoi